राज्य शिक्षण संशोधन प्रशिक्षण परिषद गोवा, शिक्षण विकास महामंडळ आणि शांतीलाल मुठ्ठा फाउंडेशन हांच्या जोड पालवान तालुको पावण्यार शिक्षकां खातीर प्रशिक्षण शिबीर चालू केला। दक्षिणेतले 39 शिक्षकांनी हातून वांटो घेतला। नागरिकांचो सामाजिक जबाबदारीतली बांदिलकाय असो विषय आसतलो।
मडगावच्या शिक्षण विभागात पी शिक्षकां खातीर तालुको पावंड्यावयले प्रशिक्षण सुरू केला। येरादारी पुलीस ASI दामोदर मेस्त्रीन येरादारी सुरक्षेची माहिती दिली। दक्षिण गोंयच्या सुमार 39 शिक्षकांनी ताका हजेरी लायिल्ली।
A lecture cum training session was organized for the PE teachers of government as well as aided high schools. During the training session, the teachers were lectured and trained on the various road safety related aspects related to the students community from the high schools. The teachers were trained and lectured on various road safety aspects of this one, such as safe walking, safe road crossing, safe bus travel, safe cycling. After going back to their schools, these teachers will focus on the students from their respective high schools on these main aspects of road safety as far as students are concerned, so that when the students they will come out in traffic on road, they will behave in a more disciplined way, and it will also help them to live an accident-free life. The teachers were also explained about the various consequences about the excessive speed driving, dangerous overtaking, using of mobile phones while driving, drunken driving, and other causes which are causing the rise of accidents and accident death on roads. We must keep in mind that the exceeding speed is one of the main causes for the rise of accidents. Speed thrills, but it kills too. We should ensure that we remain in the permissible speed limits when we are driving or riding. When we violate traffic rules or drives at a speed of 100 km per hour, 110, 120 km per hour, the motor vehicle which we are driving or riding, it turns into a deadly weapon. A weapon that kills others sometimes, and sometimes which kills ourselves. So we will ensure that we do not fall prey to the exceeding speed limits. Let us be within our permissible speed limits so as to be safe while riding or driving. Let us follow proper traffic rules and let us be disciplined to keep our roads accident free and live a healthy life.
We are running a program in Goa which is called ECE, that is Enhancing Civic Engagement. So it was realized that the problems of hygiene and sanitation, waste management and traffic awareness and road safety are things which are very important, and that is what we were trying to take to the students, and that is why this program got launched in the middle school from class 5th to 8th. Now in this particular case, now this has been part of the curriculum. Now this being part of the curriculum, this will be taught to the schools, so at least awareness in respect of the children or the students will be there, how to handle things, how to be more aware as far as traffic is concerned, hygiene and sanitation, what all things have to be addressed.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार।